What's going on, boys and girls? We are back at it again. Happy 2018. Yeah, we took a little bit of time off because it's been cold as hell. Don't mind him. He's probably gonna jump. I'm kidding. No, we can't even have that because we're gonna be the next fall over. What's going on, everybody? We are back at it again. Happy 2018. Well, happy late 2018. Merry Christmas. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Kwanzaa too. Throw that in there.
Happy Valentine's Day if you're into that.
Easter.
Not yet though.
Not yet.
Not yet.
But yes.
Early Easter.
We're back at it again. We took a little bit of time off because the Knuckleheads deserved it. We crammed out 23 videos in a span of what, 4 or 5 months?
Yeah, about that.
So the guys deserved a little bit of time off, but we are back at it again, 2018. We have awesome new adventures coming along the way. Our season starts in March, April-ish. To give you a good idea, we'll be at MetLife with Clean Culture. So make sure you check us out over there. And what else? Sky's gonna be making her video debut because it is not official until she gets her roll shot. Thanks to the roll shot master.
Yeah, hi.
Get a good shot. Aside from that, it's gone. Yeah, he lost the bet. What else?
Never lose, never lose.
What else? What else? So many things. So many goddamn things that have happened over the off-time season. All our apparel is jumping over from hpobrand.com to c4lifestyle.com. So expect the site to go fully online at the end of this month in February. Aside from that, I don't know. What else, guys? Come on.
Smells like rotten eggs out here.
It does.
Yeah, a little
It
tight.
does.
Hudson River. It's nasty.
It does. So it's pretty much like a little quick update for you guys, a little quick vlog-ish style, just to get the ball rolling and get the blood flowing, making these awesome little videos. We have some awesome new tech coming along the way, some new gimbals to be testing out as well from a few companies. Collab work also coming. I'll be announcing that a little bit later on. We're gonna be doing some cool stuff and stuff that we haven't really jumped into. A few makeup chicks are gonna be making little announcements here on the channel. Yeah. Surprise. It's 2018. What else? I don't know. What else? Anything else that I missed out?
That's it.
Fluffster?
I don't know. That's it.
27th birthday coming soon, you already know. It's gonna be a movie.
We're gonna take him to Chuck E. Cheese.
No.
Yeah, we are. Yeah,
Have fun in the ball pit.
Mm-hmm.
No.
You can play with all the balls you want.
Yep.
Get your head out of the gutter. The playpen.
I don't know what the hell they're talking about because Chuck E. Cheese hasn't had ball pits in I don't know how many years.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. You already know the deal. Add us on Apple News channel. You can search for us under C4 Lifestyle. Make sure you hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, your family, uncles, aunts.
Follow us on Instagram too.
Follow us on IG. Link of the Knuckleheads will be in the description box below.
I don't care if you follow me. Follow the fucking web.
Yeah, just leave.
Can you tell, like, they're rusty as hell? It's been a
Like
while.
I was saying, forget about us. Follow the page though. Yeah.
C4 Lifestyle. You already know. As always, my friends, life's too short, so keep it custom. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Custom.
Peace.